site-built accessories seem to save you money, but when you have more jobs than you can schedule, you need to work more efficiently without sacrificing craftsmanship. It's possible with Diamond Kote Building Products' complete siding system. Our siding products are made with contractors in mind to make building and remodeling efficient. Our complete siding system is a single-source solution for every part of installation. Our rabbeted nail fin trim and corners feature a built-in nailing flange to eliminate face nails and a pocket for simple installation. This reduces time-consuming touch-ups and caulking. With 8 configurations, rigid mount blocks protect exterior protrusions, while pre-drilled holes and pre-existing flashing makes your work easy. And our lap siding uses rigid stack technology. The added spline allows the siding to stack and lock together for quick one-person installation. Diamond Kote's complete siding system is color-matched with over 20 solid and duo-blend colors and custom color options. With all of this, you get a consistent, flawless finished appearance. Diamond Kote innovates our products with contractors in mind. That's why our complete siding system is a single-source solution for all your exterior needs. Visit our website to request a meeting with a Diamond Kote specialist or order a free siding sample. Build better, work smarter, and create beautiful, long-lasting exteriors with Diamond Kote Building Products.